The Bayraktar Akıncı drone, one of Turkey's prominent uncrewed combat aerial vehicles, completed its first flight recently equipped with Turkish defense giant Aselsan Murad AESA radar, its developer Baykar announced. With the successful completion of the first flight of Bayraktar Akıncı Ucav with Aselsan Murad AESA radar, another groundbreaking success has been achieved in our defense industry, said the head of the Presidency of Defense Industries SSB, Haluk Görgün, on the weekend. Baykar's Akıncı Ucav is one of the biggest high-altitude long-endurance Ucav in the world and the first of 3 units of Akıncıs to enter service in 2021. It can do operations that are otherwise done by fighter jets. It carries electronic support systems, dual satellite communication systems, air-to-air radar, collision avoidance radar and synthetic aperture radar according to Baykar. It can also be used in air-to-ground and air-to-air attack missions as well. To counter the rapidly changing and evolving target set of the warfare environment, today's combat aircraft are equipped with radar and AESA technology. The Murad 100 radar has been developed as a state-of-the-art multifunctional fire control radar with agile electronic beam steering capability and simultaneous air-to-air ground engagement capabilities thanks to its AESA architecture. Considering the growing role of uncrewed aerial vehicle on the battlefield, the Murad 100 radar, which can be integrated into both fighter jet aircraft and WAV, is indispensable for all aircraft to ensure operational superiority in air warfare. As is known, Aselsan's AESA radar has been integrated on the Turkish F-16 and took to the air for the first time. In addition to being used by the F-16, this radar will also be integrated on the Turkish drone platform. Turkey's national AESA radar, Murad, was developed as part of the F-16 upgrade program called Ozga. Aselsan officials said the radar will use gallium nitride technology in its transmit-receive module, with the semiconductor material to be produced in Turkey after the opening of a new GaN foundry built by Aselsan together with Bilkent University in Ankara.